You have in this side of the Arduino, you have the power distribution. I have 5 volt the red cable and the ground the black cable. We have the analog input for measurement. We have digital input here. Digital input here for use. Digital input output. What else? You have the jack connection for an external 9 volt power. You have the USB connection to this blue cable to my PC. The red is plus and the blue is ground. The plus is taken from this connection, plus 5 volt is 5 volt. This connection is 5 volt and this is the ground. On the breadboard, I connect the ground through this resistor to the minus of each LED. Ground, resistor, minus of this LED. Ground, resistor, minus of the green LED. The plus of each LED have a connection. There's a red LED, the first one, go through the orange cable to the port 5. Plus from the green LED go the port, so port 2, 3, 4, 5. Connection green, blue, yellow, orange. Now we have a push button. Push button in one side go through this jumper to the plus. One side of this push button is plus. The other side go through a resistor to a minus. We don't care too much about this. And in the same side here, we go with the blue cable, light blue, to the port 2. You have on your upper right side the port UNO, Arduino UNO revision 3, with its port, digital port here on the top from 0, 2, 3, 4, until here, with its analogic port from A0, A1, A2 until A5 for the analogic input for the measurement. Here you have power distribution with the ground, the black, and with the plus 5 volt, the red. I plug the 5 volt through the red cable here until my breadboard on the red line here. So this line has all the way around, also with the jumper here to there, all the way around the 5 volt. I put the ground, this one, through the black cable until my blue lane here. So the blue lane until there, plus the jumper to the top, have also the ground. The UNO have also jack connection to input with the 9 volt DC and USB connector going to this blue cable to my USB. The minus of the board to the resistor, they go to the minus of the LED. The minus from this resistor go to the minus of the LED. The minus here, the resistor go of the minus of the LED. The plus of the LED go in this side, go to the orange cable to the port 5 here. This plus of the LED go from the yellow cable until the port, and this one, the plus, go through the blue cable to the port 5, 3. So put it in this side of the push button normalement open, go the other side of the normalement open, go to this point, with the green cable go to the port 2. And also a lot of shit. On the push button, the green LED is burning. If we push here on the push button, you see that this is flashing. What you can see also is this is flash very hard and this little, a little bit less. This in the middle. Why? Because here I have a 5K resistor. Here I have I have a 10K, 5K there. Here I have a 10K. Higher is the resistance, lower is the current. Show you a raccourci how to put this. I will put a resistance here. It's the same for the resistance and for the push button. You choose resistance. You choose and as you see it works. When I push here, like this to not boring you, is you construct the same in the same way. The push button is connected normally open between this point and this point, and normally closed between this point and this point. LED is connected to the ground in the minus of the LED, and in the plus on the LED with resistance to the port 13. Port 12 on to this resistance to the ground. So, without pushing on the button is measure the load. So I put here, button is pushed, you see that the LED is burning. Meaning that if the button state is high, so it's not low, it's high, you put the LED button pin, the LED pin high, and that's what the button pin I is the 13, 13 is I, it's plus of the plus of the LED, and then on the mine, and it's burning.